Hello again from Contour Tool. Today we're going to do a little video demo on this connecting rod that we have back here. Mike Jerez, he's holding it up there. He is our manufacturing engineer, and he is the one that has programmed this part on our CNC machines and on the CMM here in the background. Kathy Holt here is our quality manager, and she's always making sure that we're making good parts. And Chad Dennis in the background there, he is our machinist and our journeyman, and he also is setting up the machine for this part. And let's get to it. Alright, here we are with that solid model of the connecting rod you just saw a moment ago. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about our process. One way that we've really found a lot of success is with using a customer supplied model, which is exactly what this is. Our customers supplied us this model, they supplied us the forgings, and that really reduces the potential for errors because we don't have to redraw anything. We're able to take that solid model, import it into GibbsCAM or Mastercam. That's a couple of the software we use here. Most other companies use the same thing. Where we add the most value though is with our people and our processes. Those are two things that our customers really have come to love about us, is that we have a streamlined process. We have the experience and the knowledge base here to tackle pretty much anything that comes in our door. On this part specifically, we had to get together with our team a lot. We got together with our customer, we got together with our machinist, making sure that we're coming up with the best way to machine it, the best way to check it and hold it in the fixture. This part was programmed and ran on our NLX 4000. We have 4 horizontal machining centers, and this part actually has to have an almost perfect finish when it's done, and so we had to try some new things that we hadn't really done before, and that helped us to get that perfect finish before it goes out for other operations, and then when it's done in the end, they have almost perfectly cosmetic part. There can't be any machining lines in this part at all. That also created a lot of trust and transparency between us and the customer, really developing that long-term relationship, which is something Contour is known for. When we take on a new customer, that customer continually comes back to us because they know they're going to get great quality, they're going to get a great delivery, and they're going to get information all along the way. We're very open and honest with everything that we do here. It's one of the values that Contour Tool has. The last thing we use this solid model for is for our coordinate measuring machine. Our engineers are able to take that model, program it at their desk offline, upload it to our coordinate measuring machine, and then when the part comes off the machine, it's already there. Quality control can run that program, check that part, and get it out to our customer. If you have any questions, you want any more information, check us out online at contourprecisionmilling.com. There'll be a link here, or an image here at the end. And if you haven't seen our last video with our engineer Derek Kinder, go ahead and check that one out. And we'll have another video up soon. We'll see you next time.